Okay, quick unboxing. Boom. Check this out. There's a band of it. Very beautiful, very unique. Not something that you probably see every day. And how do you unfold it? Most people would just lift it up like that. And how do you fold it? Close it like that. But there is a way cooler way to do it. Just tilt it down, boom. To close it, be careful, don't hold your finger over here. So it's kind of scary knife right here. Hold it down like that and it will close. So it's a gravity folding knife right here. You see, if it's tilted down like that, I don't care how fast, actually works sometimes. But sometimes it doesn't. So it's best to tilt it a little bit, boom. But still, as you can see, this is no way to do it with one hand. At least I do not know how to do it with one hand. Super unique knife for sure. So whenever you pull it out, how do you do it? Unfold it like that, I guess, and fold it back up carefully. You would want to do it like that. I guess you can open it and close it like that. I would unclose it like that because it will smash my fingers. But check this out, you can grab it. That's another way to do it. Let's try it again. So pull out your knife, hold it like this. Very unique. But then to close it, you flip it like that. This thing right here, you gotta hold it with 2 fingers. You cannot hold on that because it will be in the way. Also, you don't wanna stick your fingers in there because it will pretty much guillotine them. And you don't want to hold these fingers way over right here because you can see what will happen, right? Even though you could be pushing it here. Ooh, it's scary. So just learn about this knife. Another thing, as long as you kick it quickly, most of the time it will fold and unfold. Pretty scary, but pretty awesome. Love it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this knife? Definitely goes into my weird knife collection. You see how I was hesitant? It got stuck in there. So you gotta kick it out. If you wanna be slow about it one more time, nope, I got stuck. If you wanna be slow about it, just make sure you tilt it a lot. If you wanna be fast about it, just kick it. If you want to be fast about it, just kick it like that. Oh, look at that. There is a carabiner. I didn't even realize that.